Another Smart Money Sundays. Now I know it's currently Wednesday, but today we have CPI, and I wanted to basically wait, let the first half of the week play, before I actually made a video, just to have a bit more informative analysis for you guys, for this for the remainder of the week. So let's just jump right into it. So as always, we get started with the DXY, and I want to show you on the daily quickly. We've basically come into a pivotal weekly support level. Okay, that was last time tested out in July. Swiped this previous low here. Okay, in last year, but currently we're testing the yearly level as well. So what I'm looking for currently is a potential push up into 102, 103 region. Okay, now the way I'm looking to play this is because we have CPI today, it's extremely volatile, so I'm not looking to actively trade today unless a few scenarios play out. So if I push down on the lower time frame, okay, we're either going to see just range bound activity, right, where price is just likely just going to range within this level. But if this level does hold, this yearly level, then we're likely going to get that push today into 103, where I'll be looking for entries for longs, okay, for a short-term position, longs into my key level. Now, the other scenario where I'll look to long today is if we see a quick push down during CPI, okay, and then a retracement back up, something like this, okay, and then I'll look to wait for low time frame confirmations to actually long into my target of 103. Now, if this scenario plays out, it's much higher probability that that we see the push into 103. So this is my ideal scenario that I prefer for the DXY, for the dollar, but it doesn't need to play out. Okay, we can just range here before pushing up as well. So these are sort of the scenarios I have mapped out for today and for the remainder of the week. Okay, now if I push over to EU onto this chart here, okay, let's go on the lower time frame, hour 4. Okay, what I'm in essence, let's get rid of the levels. What I'm in essence looking for right now, okay, is a push into 1.110, and then some sort of reaction from this level where I'd look to short right into my lower time frame target of 1.08. okay, that's sort of what I'm basically looking at when it comes to EU. Okay, I'm looking for swing shorts into 1.08. That's sort of my high time frame setup, but first I want to see a retest of 1.11, okay, and then I'll look for lower time frame confirmations to actually short this back down to 1.08. That's sort of the idea I have, because we do have a lot of inefficiencies in price down below, and I'm expecting them to come and get filled. Right, now let's move over to BTC. Don't know why this is lagging. Hold on one second, let me refresh this. Right, so BTC is pretty it's been pretty range bound as we've just come out of we have basically just come out of the summer term basically. So volatility is returning back into the crypto market, which is very nice to see, as summer has been relatively quiet for swing traders mainly. But if I basically show you on this region here, okay, so what I'm basically looking for in terms of BTC, right, is this level again to hold. Okay, 55 K is the key level for me. I'm looking for 55K to hold in range into potentially CPI to look for longs into the 62K region. Okay, this, and then from there, okay, the 62K region is where I'd ideally be looking for potential shorts for price to come back down. Okay, I'm still expecting a range bound environment on BTC, and potentially a swipe of these lows at 49K. Okay, so that's sort of the idea I have for BTC. Now, ideally, if you're looking for these longs, as I am, you want to wait for BTC to basically bounce off this level at 55k and look for some sort of lower time frame confirmation, okay, because this is a key level and it is the weekly open. Okay, we need to wait to see this level hold, and then look for some sort of confirmation, right, depending on how you trade, to actually long. Okay, my eyes, I do have alert set on this level. My eyes will be glued to this key level as similar scenario with EU, for example, at 1.11. Okay, I'm just waiting for my my zones to trigger, and then I'm looking for the reactions I want to trade off of them. Okay, so that's sort of the idea for BTC. Now again, price could dip down a little lower before coming back up, but as long as this level holds, I want to be looking for longs into that 61, 62k basic level. Okay, so that's sort of the idea for BTC. Similar idea with ETH. Okay, we're basically retesting that yearly level again. I'm looking for this level to basically just hold. Okay, I want to see range bound price action, lower time frame order bullish order flow to then look for longs into that $2,600 region. Okay, before potentially looking to short again. Okay, so that's sort of the idea I have for crypto for now. Okay, so for this week, these are the main setups I'm looking for. Okay, today, if we do get that push into CPI, then in the second half of the week, basically Thursday, Friday, or coming into Sunday, I'd be focused on more shorts on the short side if this first move takes place today. Okay, because this scenario is still likely to play out this week as well. So if you do miss the buys, shorts are very much still on the cards for me as well. So this was just a quick little breakdown. Hope you guys saw some value from it. If you did, please do like, and I'll see you guys soon.